consciously try to reduce water usage? Any examples?
Yes, I try to reduce water usage as by reducing water in gardening and by fixing leaks.
Do you think people in your area take water scarcity seriously?
No, I don't think so. They take it seriously because there have been instances of waterborne diseases and many water-related illness, and I don't think so. Anybody is taking it seriously. They seriously are tilt on buying water bottles and cleaning the water.
How important is community cooperation in overcoming water-related challenges?
See, community cooperation is important because it helps in spreading awareness, and it also helps us how efficiently we use our resources.
What policies do you think the government should implement to improve water access?
See, government should do a proper waste management system and also do rainwater harvesting plus with equal water distribution.
Have you noticed any health or hygiene problems due to low availability of water?
Yes, there have been many cases of diarrhea and dehydration, and also people getting sick because of bad contaminated water. People face several issues. Many of them face issues in
This is Yuvraj. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech.
Okay. So here is 5 quick questions for you.
Okay.
What comes into your mind when you hear the term water scarcity?
The term water scarcity, it means it says shortage of water, or I can say lack of enough water or clean water or potable water for our livelihood, which comes in our daily life. But the shortage of that water is, from my side, it is called water scarcity.
Okay. And have you or your family experienced any health issue related to water quality or shortage?
Yes, myself, I suffered from typhoid, which is a commercial water disease, and it comes only from dirty water. So I can say yes, this affected me.
Does water scarcity affect your monthly expense in any way?
Yeah, because in cities life, in urban, in rural area, there is no such potable water or clean water. So I have to spend money on clean water or potable water.
You need to buy water for drinking.
Yeah.
Are there any cultural or traditional practices in your home that promotes water saving?
Yes,
So now for the second set of questions, I am here with Ashutosh and will document his take on water scarcity. So Ashutosh, do you believe your community understands the seriousness of water scarcity?
कम्युनिटी बिलीव नहीं करती हमारे में भी हम देख सकते हैं सेम हमारे कॉलेजेस में भी हम लोग कितना वाटर वेस्टेज करते हैं एंड हमारे यहाँ नालियाँ देख ही सकते हैं लोकल बॉडीज़ हैं वो बिल्कुल कुछ गवर्नेंस नहीं दिखाती वाटर स्कैर्सिटी प्रॉब्लम.
What health risks do you think are linked to contaminated water?
सो कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्थ डिसीजेज आते हैं जैसे डायरिया वगैरह और चिल्ड्रन को काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होते हैं.
सही है. So how effective do you think current government policies are in managing water?
तो करंट गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज बिल्कुल इफेक्टिव हैं क्योंकि हम देख सकते हैं वाटर पॉल्यूशन काफ़ी तेज़ी से राइज हो रहा है एंड यमुना के केस देख सकते हैं बार गवर्नमेंट फंड्स लगाती है बट वो फंड्स वेस्ट हो जाते हैं सारी जगह पे.
So the last one is, should schools and colleges play a bigger role in teaching water conservation?
बिल्कुल स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस काफ़ी बड़ा रोल प्ले करते हैं वाटर हम देख सकते हैं अगर काफ़ी अच्छे से पढ़ाया जाए स्कूलों में बस पढ़ाने के नाम पे ना पढ़ाया जाए सही इफेक्टिव वे में पढ़ाया जाए प्रैक्टिकल्स के थ्रू हमें विजिट कराया जाए नाले यमुना का केस दिखाया जाए तो हाँ स्कूल्स काफ़ी अच्छा रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं वाटर स्कैर्सिटी प्रॉब्लम हैंडल करने में.
Thank you, Ashutosh. So good morning guys, I am here with Mrinal and I am here to ask some questions regarding the fresh water scarcity in the neighborhood. So Mrinal, have you noticed any reduction in water availability over the years?
Yes, I have seen plenty of reduction in water.
In what ways can poor water supply affect hygiene and health in households?
Poor water supply affects hygiene on a much greater extent than you think. Many waterborne diseases arises from it and the children fell ill from it.
Good one. Do you believe water scarcity increases household expense?
Yes, it increases the household expense as the children will get ill The family will have to pay for the medical bills, and everything is just related to each other.
So welcome guys, myself Tushar.
Myself Shyam.
So Sham, where do you belong to?
I belong from Odisha, Bhubaneswar.
So guys, today for our EVS project we have a topic of water scarcity. So we'll ask Sham few questions regarding that. So how aware are you about water scarcity in your locality, and what changes have you noticed in recent years?
So about water scarcity, it is quite, everyone is quite vocal about water scarcity in my locality. And the changes I've noticed over a few years is that people have started changing from traditional water sources to water jars or 10-liter water containers because it's more accessible to them and it's affordable. So that's the notice. That's what I've noticed.
And do you think water scarcity has an impact on the health of people here?
Okay, water scarcity does have a does affect people's health, because during times like cyclones and everything that do happen in my locality, in my state, people don't get water that is up to par or up to the level that it should be, and so people do face some health difficulties due to that.
Do you think technologies like rainwater harvesting should be adopted more in your area?
Currently, the government of Odisha has already made it mandatory to have rainwater harvesting in every single residential property. But they should implement newer and improved technologies which will help people get not be affected during the water scarce periods.
So Sham, that was a nice interview. Thank you for doing that.
Thank you.
So welcome back guys, we have Satyam with us. So Satyam, where do you belong to?
I belong from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
That's nice. So Satyam, I have few questions with you in regards of water scarcity. Have you faced any health related problems due to unclear or insufficient water?
हाँ, बहुत बार हुआ है कि अनक्लियर वाटर की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा स्टमक एक्स हो रहा है या कुछ हो रहा है, और जॉन्डिस हो जाता है लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा. मेरे घर में एक को हुआ था जॉन्डिस, तो काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी उससे.
Are there any water saving values you learn from family or culture?
वाटर सेविंग वैल्यूज़, हाँ, जैसे रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग हो गई और ये सब चीज़ें कि जब भी पानी बरस रहा है तो हमेशा सेव करो उसको, वेस्ट नहीं जाना चाहिए. बहुत बार ग्राउंड वाटर बहुत लो चला जाता है क्योंकि हम लोग ग्राउंड वाटर से ही पानी लेते रहते हैं और उसकी वजह से बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है.
तो डू यू थिंक जो हमारी गवर्नमेंट है उनको इसके खिलाफ कोई पॉलिसीज़ या कुछ लॉज लानी चाहिए?
हाँ, लाने चाहिए. लाइक हमेशा सब घर में होना चाहिए कि रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का टैंक होना चाहिए. हम लोग के घर पे जैसे है बिल्डिंग है, एक टैंक बना हुआ है कि वहाँ पे सारा रेन वाटर हार्वेस्ट, मतलब जो रेन वाटर आता है वो सारा स्टोर होता है, तो वहाँ से यूज़ होता है बहुत. तो वैसे होना चाहिए, हर जगह होना चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट को कुछ तो ऐसा करना चाहिए.
Thank you so much. So myself Tushar, and we have
Lakshya Sharma.
Lakshya. Where do you belong to?
I belong from Calgary.
So Lakshya, today we are generating awareness about water scarcity as a part of our EVS project. So I have few questions in regards with that. Have you faced any financial burden due to water shortage, such as buying product or using tankers?
Fortunately not, because the water supply in my area is appropriate for the complex.
What daily habits do you follow to avoid water wasting?
So I do try to keep the tap off while brushing or washing clothes and all. See, reusing water, like when I wash the vegetable, I reuse it to plant the waters.
Okay. How would you rate government's effort in managing water supply and conservation?
Not up to the mark, but works are getting there.
So, if you are given a chance, what changes do you think our government should bring to reduce water scarcity?
Definitely some collections methods should be there, like rainwater harvesting, for example. It should be mandatory for every apartment, every locality, and basically.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So hi everyone, today we have Keshav with us, and I'll be asking some questions related to our EVS project. So Keshav, do you see technology like smart meters or leak detectors helping in the future?
Okay, so smart meters and leak detectors are very much useful as it leads to increase the water efficiency and leads to reduce the water loss.
Okay, and Keshav, what simple behavioral changes can people adapt to save water according to you?
Okay, so I think people should take short showers and turn off the tap after immediate use, and people should reuse the water as well.
Okay, thank you, Keshav.
Are you aware of any government schemes related to water conservation?
Yes, I have heard of some schemes that encourage saving water and improving water supply.
जल है तो कल है, पानी की कमी आज नहीं, भविष्य की भी चिंता है. So, we would like to conclude that overall respondents agree that water scarcity is a serious and raising problem that impact health, hygiene and household expense. People try to save water but feel government efforts are not enough. Most believe that technologies, stronger policies and community awareness are necessary effectively tracking the issue. So, we would like to conclude that Jal hai to Jeevan hai. If we save water today, then we can ensure that our future generations get enough water to survive their necessities. Thank you so much.